Hello, Professor. My name is Bavanpreet Singh. Today, I will be presenting on a topic that has become one of the most critical issues for our time: climate change and its impacts. Whether we realize it or not, climate change affects very aspect of our lives, from the food we eat to the air we breathe and the safety of the places we live. So let's take a closer look at what it is, why it matters, and what we can do about it. Let's begin with the basic definition. Climate change refers to long-term change in temperature, precipitation, wind patterns, and other aspects of the Earth's climate system. While the Earth has always changed naturally over time, the rapid acceleration we are seeing today is mostly due to human activities. Activities such as burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy, as well as large scale deforestation of forests, have increased the amount of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, like uh, carbon dioxide and other harmful gases. This creates an imbalance in the natural climate cycle. The greenhouse effect. One of the key drivers of climate change is what we call the greenhouse effect. That's how it works. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide act like a blanket around the earth. They trap heat from the sun, keeping our planet warm enough to support. But when we realize too many of these gases into the atmosphere, the blanket like gases get thicker, more heat gets trapped, leading to global warming, and this warming disrupts ecosystem, weather patterns, and sea levels. Consequences of climate change. Now let's talk about the real world impact we are already seeing. Firstly, melting polar ice caps and glaciers are causing sea level to rise. This threatens low-lying coastal areas around the world, from Miami to Mumbai. Secondly, we are witnessing more extreme weather events like intense hurricanes, floods, wildfires, and heat waves. These are not just occasional anomalies, they are becoming more frequent and more intense. Third, our oceans are absorbing a lot of this heat, leading to rising temperatures and ocean acidification, which severely harms marine ecosystems like coral reefs. In the fifth slide, I'm going to talk about its why it matters. So, what should we all care? Because climate change doesn't just affect polar bears of faraway islands, it affects us all. It puts biodiversity at risk and disrupts ecosystems that are essential for human survival. Water shortages, food insecurity, and the spread of diseases are all connected to a changing climate. For example, changing rainfall patterns can destroy crops and lead to famine. Rising temperatures can expand the habitats of disease carrying insects like mosquitoes. And economically, the damage caused by natural disaster uh, costs billions of dollars every year. Insurance premiums go up, infrastructure needs rebuilding, and entire communities may be displaced. In the sixth slide, what can we do? The good news is There are solutions and we can be part of them. First, we need to follow the three R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse. This helps lower the amount of waste and population we produce. Now let's transition toward renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. Using public transport, conserving energy, and supporting clean technologies are steps everyone can take. Also, it's important to educate others, support climate policies, and make sustainable choices in our daily lives. These changes can start at the community level, one person, one neighborhood, one country at a time. At the end, in conclusion, to wrap up, climate change is real. It's happening now and it involves all of us. It affects our interconnected and far reaching, but it's not too late to act. Each of us has a role to play, whether it's through changing our habits, raising awareness, or pushing for stronger environment policies. As the saying goes, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Let's take responsibility and work toward a cleaning, healthier, and more sustainable future. Thank you.